I absolutely love showcasing special homes, giving full property tours, but today is really special because we are in my backyard. We are literally 2 blocks up from the first home I ever purchased with my wife almost 20 years ago. Fortunately, we still have that one. But today is about this place, a completely renovated, large family home with impressive features, located in South Ocean Beach, very close to the cliffs, only a few blocks up from the water. But the best part is the amazing views. We've got a gloomy day today, but even with the haze, you can see what we have to offer with this place. I'm gonna meet you downstairs and we'll start the tour, but first, have a look at how amazing this location is. Before even stepping into the home, the curb appeal is impressive. And what's even more impressive is the fact that this is a 5-bedroom, 3.5 bath, 2,150 square foot home in South Ocean Beach. There's just not a ton of 5-bedroom homes in this part of town. Certainly not this updated and impressive. Let's go inside and check it out. As soon as you come in, you've got this great living room. You've got stacked stone on the fireplace, open dining, kitchen, and entertaining deck out back. But before we go check that out, you have 2 full bedrooms. One of them is really set up for an office, but they were smart when they built this home because they've got a full closet in here if you need that 5th bedroom. Leaving the office, you've got a full bath to service these 2 bedrooms downstairs, and of course, another ground floor bedroom right here. So if you're anything like me, you like to entertain a lot, and this is a dream setup because you've got your living room, dining room, kitchen, and of course, entertaining space out on the deck right there. The thing that I really dig about this kitchen is some of the nice features that they put in here. So you've got an impressive 6-burner range right here with the pot filler. You've got your microwave hidden away under the cabinetry here. You've got a dual drawer dishwasher, which is pretty cool if you don't have a big load to do all at once. And then of course it opens right up onto this balcony that has ocean views from your kitchen. Can you imagine doing little dishes right here? Hey, look at that, ocean. Get right back to it. This pass-through window is pretty cool with a bar right here. If you got drinks over there, pass them right out to your friends hanging out on the patio. This is really where it's at. You're indoor, outdoor living. You're in Southern California. We're looking at the ocean, and we've got a backyard down here to go as well. Before we head upstairs and see the rest of the home, there's some pretty cool features out here as well. We've got a nice sized pantry with plenty of storage. Over here, we've got a dry bar with plenty of storage to keep your wine cool and ready to drink. A half bath to service your guests down here, and a pretty legit laundry room. Moving upstairs, we can't overlook the beautiful wide plank white oak wood floors they put in. It's throughout the home and it's really beautiful, giving a nice beachy feel. I personally would choose the same type of flooring in my home right now. I just think it looks great. Here we have the primary suite and it is impressive. We've got access to the patio outside. We've got views of the water behind you there. You walk through a pretty massive walk-in closet. I mean, look how big this space is, to your bathroom. We've got a soaker tub. We've got 2 shower heads in the shower. We've got plenty of space for your linens and a private commode with a door on it, which you know is a nice feature. Dual vanity with a killer stacked stone feature behind the mirrors right here. And the white oak cabinetry to match the flooring throughout. When they built this home, they truly had the indoor-outdoor life in mind, not just in the downstairs areas where you're going to entertain your guests, but even for the bedrooms. I mean, this is a private patio off of a secondary bedroom facing northwest where you can see the ocean from here. As you move through, you've got plenty of closet space, and you've got a Jack and Jill bath right over here to take you to the 3rd bedroom. So we're moving through the Jack and Jill bath to the 3rd upstairs bedroom and final total bedroom. Of course, more standard closet space, the white oak flooring carried on throughout, and you can literally sit on this bed and look out the window and see the Pacific Ocean. This indoor-outdoor living is for real in this home. If you need 5 bedrooms, there's a good chance you've got some kiddos running around and you're gonna need a yard to go with it, and they have that to offer you here as well. And being only a few blocks from the water, you've gotta have an outdoor shower. If you're a surfer like I am, you've got a routine when you get back from the beach, and this is definitely part of it. How great is this to have a full shower? You can spray your sand off your feet, rinse yourself, get that wetsuit clean, and all hung up and ready to go on with your day. So we've shown you a lot, and you would think that would be it. It's a big home, but there's actually a whole nother house back here. We've got a one-car garage right here, but that is for your tenants, for your mother-in-law, for your college kid, or for anyone who wants to maybe vacation for a short period of time. Let's go inside this one and check it out. Here we are in the complete separate ADU. It's a 2-bedroom, 1-bath home, and it's only 750 square feet, but the way they've laid it out, it really feels a lot bigger than that. And it's got the same nice finishes throughout. And we've got our living space here. We even have a private patio and grass space out there. Dining room here and a couple bedrooms over here. So that's gonna wrap our tour for today. I'm gonna just chill here for a little bit. I think we got the built-in sound, we got built-in heat, we got a beautiful day, a little bit of haze, but you know what? This home truly is providing that coastal lifestyle that you're looking for, and whoever ends up buying this one, I know is gonna end up grinning.